is Seth with Orion Moto. Back out in the West Desert today. It's been kind of a long winter. I haven't done a whole lot of riding, but today I brought out our 250 and our 250 HO. The 250 comes stock with a carburetor. 250 HO has traditionally been an EFI version, but I'm excited to announce that we have contracted with SmartCarb to bring you the first bike that will have an option for their SC3. This is a unibody design carburetor, all the same performance that all their other carburetors have had, but we have them available for the Orion Moto products. The 250 Junior is coming stock with it. The 250 HO, we're going to have it as an aftermarket kit where you can actually turn your EFI 250 into a carbureted version. Many of you are wondering, why would I turn my 250 EFI into a carbureted bike? Well, I've been fortunate enough to be testing these the SmartCarb 3 on both of these bikes over the last 6 months. Some of the main features that I've noticed is that I'm getting improved throttle response, increased fuel efficiency, and about a 10% horsepower gain, and around 30% improvement on the fuel efficiency. So when I'm out doing my desert rides, I can go longer. The throttle response is phenomenal. If I'm in the mountains and I'm going up higher elevation, SmartCarb automatically adjusts for elevation as you go, and I can go from about, 5,000 feet up to 10,000 feet here in Utah without a problem. The EFI version still does really well, but you'll start to notice backfiring and a little bit of a lag in the throttle at higher elevation. With the SmartCarb 3, you do not notice that at all. Because the 250 Junior is already a carbureted bike, it's a really easy swap over. It's just a plug and play, really. With the 250 HO, there's, it'll take you about an hour and a half to do everything that you need to. But for those folks who like to go on longer rides, want the improved fuel efficiency, like riding at higher elevations, I would definitely recommend doing the upgrade. On the Junior, SmartCarb fits nice in there. We do have one of the parts you have to change out with it is the intake manifold, but it's a plug and play fit. Bike runs fantastic. The stock version of this has about 19.5 horsepower, so you'll be up 21, 22 horsepower with the SmartCarb. We have had these dyno tuned and everything, so they do work perfect on the bikes. And then over on the HO, it's a little bit of a kit where you take the fuel pump out and put in a new fuel line, inline fuel filter. This one has a SC2 on it, but it does have an SC3 that will go with it. Nice thing about the SC3 is that it's a unibody design, so you don't have any seals or anything that you have to worry about in there. It's just one nice body. The guys at SmartCarb did a really nice job putting this one together. Orion Moto has been designing and importing bikes for years. Our focus has always been providing the best, highest quality bike that we can at the most affordable price. So it really doesn't matter if you've been riding for years and you want a new bike where you don't want to spend $10,000, or if you're new to riding and you don't know what you're doing and you just want to get a bike, get out, have fun. Orion Moto has a product for you. And the reason that we decided that we were going to go ahead and put SmartCarb on some of our products is that we want to provide the absolute best performing bike that we can at the most affordable cost. And SmartCarb upgrade for these bikes is phenomenal. They perform really well, and it's a great, easy addition to your Orion Moto product. We're really excited to be the first manufacturer to bring SmartCarb stock to some of their products, and wait till you see what we have coming next.